today. It is Monday, January 20th, Martin Luther King Day. So I apologize for the informality. You're getting this streamed from home instead of from my usual office location. I am the founder and CEO of Web3 Enabler, the company bringing crypto technology to mainstream corporations. Sorry for the bounce. So, just so you know, we call ourselves the world's most boring crypto company because we are focused on the boring use cases relevant to corporate America. Our goal is to create a profitable tech startup focused entirely upon these areas. We have signed partnership agreements with Zoho and Salesforce, with pending agreements with Intuit QuickBooks, Sage, Xero, Accounting Seed, NetSuite, and HubSpot. And our goal is to bring products to the entire corporate ecosystem. Our first effort has been in Salesforce. So why Salesforce first, you might ask? 150,000 companies run Salesforce, including 91% of the Fortune 500. This means the companies with the largest budgets and the most to gain are running Salesforce. Commerce Cloud, their e-commerce, may be less well known in the tech space than Shopify or WooCommerce, but it powers 13,500 of the largest companies in the world. Companies like Williams-Sonoma that are using Salesforce for their service side and Commerce Cloud to do their online transaction. The App Exchange, which is their app store, does $140 billion in annual revenue. And the only way to enter it is as a Salesforce ISV. Each product must be confirmed by Salesforce and approved, keeping it a carefully curated marketplace. Salesforce has a huge ecosystem around it, $1.5 trillion in total spend on the ecosystem, the software, the add-ons, the consultants, etc. And Salesforce guards that passionately. That partnership agreement with Salesforce means we are the only game in town for enabling crypto on the blockchain into Salesforce. We have some great partners as well in the crypto space. We've partnered with Circle. We've also received their USDC grant. We are an inaugural member of the Circle Alliance partnership. We are in their developer group. We are working carefully with Circle as their way of bringing Circle-based payments. For those not familiar, Circle makes USDC and USC the second biggest, but biggest regulated stable coins on the international market that are dollar denominated, and they are MiCA compliant. We're also partners with the XRP Ledger Foundation, the group sponsored by Ripple, to bring the XRP Ledger technology forward. We wrote XRP for Salesforce, and we are working with them to build version 2. We're also in talks with formalizing an agreement with Ripple itself, using them directly for on-ramps and off-ramps for their new RLUSD. We also have a partnership with Pound Token and discussions with other groups doing stable coins denominated around the world. We believe that stable coins are the world's best case for using them in corporate America. We do, however, also support traditional cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin, Doge, Litecoin, Ethereum, etc. are all natively supported within our platform. To learn a little bit more, if you go on our website at web3enabler.com, you can see under the About Our Marketing white paper. We released version 1.0 last week to kind of give everyone an overview of what we're trying to do. And we look forward to iterating this over time to give really a strong understanding of what our corporate goals are and why we believe this opportunity is huge. We are here doing a live crowdfund on republic.com. You can right now, as a general member of the public, invest in this opportunity. How? By us working to do what's called a regulation CF or regulation crowdfund with Republic, we're able to accept non-accredited investors with a minimum investment of $100. Although our typical investment is around $1,100 or $1,200 right now, we have some as high as $10,000 in this crowdfund and some as low as $100. Wherever you are, you will get shares in the company via the SAFE instrument based on your level of investment. This is not a Kickstarter. This is an actual, honest-to-goodness equity raise. The SAFE instrument is the standard method by which Silicon Valley companies operate prior to what is called a price round or Series A. This is designed to give the company flexibility as it grows while being able to raise money from the general public. This is a huge opportunity, and you can go right now to republic.com/web3-enabler. We also have some great partners for on-ramping and off-ramping. Fellow Boston blockchain company Abyss, as well as Bridge, the biggest player in the space, and backed by Stripe. They're now listed as a Stripe company. They were acquired for $1.1 trillion, and they are focused on ramp and off ramp. Abyss is focused similarly on doing so. They're doing a state-by-state model with a lot of interesting API options. Bridge is very straightforward, very heavily focused on Circle, Tether, and a few other major stablecoins. We are integrating this technology natively within Salesforce. Here you see the concept of an entity. This is part of our upcoming 3.0 release that will be due later this quarter. This is mapping the KYC and KYB, or Know Your Customer and Know Your Business code, from Bridge. So as you can see, there's no need to log into Bridge's website. There's no need to create another account. You simply will create your company at the time of installation, do a KYC and KYB, and this allows you to on-ramp and off-ramp directly via Bridge. In addition, if your company has multiple companies within it, for example, a couple of LLCs that need to be funded separately, you can KYB each of them separately. Additionally, your clients will be able to undergo KYB and be able to be used to on-ramp and off-ramp as well. This will allow you to bring customers in that don't use crypto natively. How are you doing that, we ask? We are sponsored by Circle and the USDC grant program to create a programmable wallet. The next product coming out from our development team will be this programmable-based wallet extension for Salesforce, which will let you run a crypto wallet entirely within Salesforce. We also envision before this year is out that your customers will be able to connect their bank account, send a crypto payment just as easily as an ACH with way less aggravation, more completion, and no risk of clawbacks to you. So, a little bit more about the crowd raise. As we said, it's a Reg CF. The first early investors were able to get in with a valuation discount, but there's a great opportunity going forward here. Keep investing, come in where you're comfortable with, and join us at republic.com/web3-enabler. This is an early opportunity to come in right after the angel round and before the venture capital round, getting yourself a better valuation than the pros. This doesn't often happen because Reg CF is a bit of a pain, but because of the team we have, we were able to get this built. So we believe we are the company that is going to bring crypto to corporate world. And the reality is, if you're going to be a Salesforce shop, you need the data in Salesforce to manage the customer experience. Our market is at 150,000 companies already using Salesforce and already accustomed to paying top dollar for top tier tools. We envision creating a series of products, all bringing new blockchain technology into Salesforce, with several of them being released this year. I'd like to invite you to join our fundraiser, become a part of our support team, and join the Web3 Enabler world. We are going to normalize crypto payments. We're going to make it easy and simple for real corporations to adopt, and we are backed by some of the biggest players in this space. Thank you, and have a